Hello there, my name is Kayla Jones and welcome back to my channel. For anyone that is new here, and I love all things music, skincare, makeup, and fashion. So for this look today, I want to do something very bold and very different. Alright everyone, let's get started. The first product I'm going to go in with is this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And we're going to put that all over our face and neck. Next, we are going to take this eye primer, also by Fenty Beauty, and we're going to put that all over our eyelids. For our foundation, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution in the shade F1, and we're going to put that all over our face and neck. And then with the sponge, we're going to blend this all out. So for our concealer, I'll be going in with this Makeup Revolution in this shade C1. And we are going to put this under our eyes and any acne we have. Then with our sponge, we're going to blend that all out. For our loose powder, I'll be taking some of this Fit Me, and we're going to powder our entire face and neck. Now we're going to take some of this Fit Me pressed powder, and we're also going to set our face with this. So for our eyeshadow, I'll be taking this palette, and the first shade we're going to go into is the shade My Pills, and we're going to put that in our crease. The next shade we're going to go into our crease with is the shade Pigment. I'm going to put the shade Trisha all over that. I'm going to take the shade Pigment and go just on that. For our eyeliner, I'll be going in with a black pencil, and this will be our guide for any other kind of eyeliner. Next, I'll be taking some felt tip eyeliner, and we're going to trace that line we just made. Next, I'll be taking some brow pencil, and I'm going to shape my brows. Next, I'll be taking some brow pomade, and I'm going to fill in the entire eyebrow. Next, I'll be taking some brow powder, and I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows with that. Next, I'll be going in with this clear brow gel, and I'm going to set the entire brow. For our contour and bronzer, I'm going to go in with this Hula Light. Now take some blush and put that on your cheeks. Now we're going to go in with highlighter and we're going to put this on our cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, and inner corner. Now I'll be going in with some pink lipstick by Fenty Beauty in the shade Candy Venom, and we're going to put this all over our lips. For our setting spray, I'll be going in with the Morphe one, and we are going to spray our entire face and neck. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. Alright everyone, so this is the final look. I really like these kind of pinks. They are so fun. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, please put them down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, see you next time.